Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is destiny of the mind. We will be doing destiny of the body and the spirit over the next few days, but today's meditation is destiny of the mind. Now, mind is part of our soul. And it's that part of us that is always seeking to make it home to the Almighty, to the Creator, to make that at one-ment, that atonement, that sameness, returning home. So today's meditation is strengthening and understanding that desire and calling on the divine to help lead us that way. Now, of course, this is the A Search of God material. This is book 2. So they refer to the Father and they use a lot of the male pronouns. Don't worry about it. It's still all the same. Just go with it. But I do want to read you the affirmation. It is quite long. Lord, thou art my dwelling place. In thee, O Lord, do I trust. Let me see in myself and my brother that thou would bless in thy Son thy gift to me that I might know thy ways. Thou hast promised, O Father, to hear when thy children call. Harken, that I may be kept in the way that I may know the glory of thy Son, as thou hast promised in me, that we through him might have access to thee. Thou, O God, alone can save. Thou alone can keep my ways. Okay, I'll try not to stumble with that old English when we're in the meditation. But basically, it is saying what I said in the introduction. Let me hear you, Father, so I can make my way back, because the destiny of my mind is to be at one with you. So let us begin. As always, we start with our prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. And I need to move this so I can see our clock. Then we will go into a simple guided meditation today where we will kind of rest in our mind. Now, our mind can be in our head, it can be in our heart. It really is in every cell. So we're going to rest in our body and vibrate this meditation out. After the affirmation and a quiet period, we will close by hearing the bell. So you know I'm going to speak, and we're going to roll the energy up the front of us. Remember, we are rolling it toward us and up, and then in back of us, we're going to roll the energy up using our mind's eye, not our hands, over the back of us, over our head to our third eye. Okay. You know, you can't give me time off, guys. I stumble. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Exhale and begin to relax. Take another deep breath. And while exhaling, scan your body and notice, is there any tightness, any discomfort? If there is, bring your mind to that spot and invite your body to let go and relax. Notice how powerful your mind is. Your body follows its commands. Mind is the builder. The physical is the result. In this relaxed state, let us begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Just settling into your body. Start to notice the subtle energy, the subtle vibration that's all around you. It's very quiet, it's very gentle. This is the energy that comes from the divine that keeps you alive, keeps you functioning in this realm. Feel it even deeper into your skin. Now let's go a little deeper and feel it on your muscles. Start to feel it in your organs. Just relax and allow yourself to feel your entire body, inside and out, gently vibrating to this divine energy. It's almost musical, has its own note. In this perfectly still place within ourselves, let us reflect on the affirmation. Lord, thou art my dwelling place. In thee, O Father, do I trust. Let me see in myself and my brother that thou would bless in thy Son, thy gift to me, that I might know the way. Thou hast promised, O Father, to hear when thy children call. Harken, that I may be kept in the way, that I may know the glory of thy Son, as thou hast promised in me, that we, through him, might have access to thee. Thou, O God, alone can save. Thou alone can keep my ways. Sending a thank you back to the divine for this few minutes of calmness and connection. As we bring ourselves back fully to just the physical presence, we've, in our mind's eye, bend down and start to roll the energy up the front of our bodies to our head, and from our heels up our back, and over the top of our head to our third eye. Pulling fully in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I am Nora Truscello with Into Intuition. Come visit me at my website, intointuition.com, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, where we will be doing one, I believe, Destiny of the Body, then Destiny of the Soul on Monday. Have a great and blessed day. Bye now.